2112 of the Marriott Courtyard Downtown Magnificent Mile on Ontario Street. It's about a block from Michigan Avenue in the Streeterville neighborhood. And we had a TV on the wall, and this is a king room with a sofa bed, although I don't know how you'd pull that out, but that's the sofa bed and sofa. And here's the bed, and there's desktop tables, there's a phone, and I noticed that there's USB ports besides outlets here, and we have a toggle on the side of the lamp for turning it on and off, and there's similar ones on that side. And then there's a desk here that's pretty roomy, and it actually has a Ethernet connection there besides the TV, and then there's more USB ports, so there's a lot of USB ports, and that's very nice. And there's the thermostat on the wall, and there is actually a view I have noticed. And as we open it up out the window, because we're on 21, we can go in a little closer here. Those antennas, that's the Hancock building, although they call it 875 Michigan now officially. And over here is further buildings heading towards Michigan Avenue, and actually it might be considered a view. And so that is what is in room 2112 of the Marriott Courtyard Downtown Magnificent Mile. This is the room service menu from the hotel's restaurant, Copper Fox. You can stop it if you want to read more detail. This is the dinner room service menu. Although the restaurant itself appears to be open for lunch, this is the dinner menu that you can have actually delivered to your room.